everyone, my name is Mohit. Today I am presenting my project called Student Attendance Management System. This project is a cloud-based serverless application developed using AWS service. The main purpose of the project is to manage student attendance digitally and make the process easier. The main objective of the project are to create a cloud application without managing server, store student and attendance report using API communication. The architecture of the project is that the front end is developed using HTML and JavaScript, and this project is hosted on Amazon S3 bucket. When the user submit data, API gateway receive the request and send it to AWS Lambda function. Then Lambda function process the request and store or retrieve data from DynamoDB. Then I will show the add student demo. Now I will demonstrate the add student feature. Here we enter student ID. We take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have to enter name. Then I type Mohit, department is CSC and year 2026. Then click on add student. After clicking add student, the information is sent to backend and is stored in the student table. Then in the mark student demo section, attendance is marked using student ID and attendance status such as present or absent. After clicking mark attendance, we have to enter student ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then on present, after this mark attendance. The record is saved successfully after marking the attendance. Then we have view attendance demo section. This section is used to view the attendance. By entering the student ID, by entering the student ID, we click on view attendance. Then the attendance is shown by the project. Then after this, the main deployment process is used that DynamoDB Lambda function API gateway and Amazon S3 static website hosting were used in the project. The, the project demonstrates a complete serverless application using AWS. It provides practical experience in cloud deployment, integration, database management, and serverless architecture. Thank you. I have also prepared a detailed project report related to the project. In this report, I have explained the complete project, including system architecture, application flow, step-by-step deployment, and the source code of Lambda function like attendance student Lambda, mark attendance Lambda, and view attendance Lambda. In the application, in the architecture, you can see that first we take browser HTML/JS, then click on Amazon S3. This Amazon S3 is a static website. Then the next step is API gateway, and next is AWS Lambda. The next is DynamoDB student table, and next is DynamoDB attendance table. The component and the purpose of the architecture is first is Amazon S3. Amazon S3 hosts the static HTML and JavaScript front end. Second is API gateway. API gateway provide public endpoint for add student, mark attendance, and view attendance. Third is AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda run backend Python code without managing server. Fourth is DynamoDB. DynamoDB stores and retrieve attendance record. And fifth is IAM role. IAM role allow Lambda to write and read DynamoDB data and write CloudWatch logs. Then is application flow. In application flow, first we fill user fill form, then click button JavaScript fetch, then on post get API, then on Lambda runs, then DynamoDB stores, then restore. After this, I can explain about AWS service requires. The first service is DynamoDB. In DynamoDB, we create two tables, student and attendance. In second is IAM. In IAM, we create a Lambda role with DynamoDB and Cloud permission. Third is Lambda. In Lambda, we create three functions: add student, mark attendance, and view attendance. Fourth is API gateway. In API gateway, we create HTTP API route for three Lambda functions. Fifth is S3. In S3, we create a bucket upload index.html and enable static website hosting. Then next is step-by-step deployment is the first step is to create dynamo DB tables. Second is to create IAM role for Lambda. Third is to create Lambda functions. And fourth is to create API gateway routes like post get. Fifth is update index.html. And sixth step is the post front end on S3. And the last step is to testing the application. Then I have explained the source code of the Lambda function for add student Lambda, for mark student Lambda, and view attendance Lambda, and about the front end code of index.html. This is all about the project. I want to view the complete documentation. I have provided the PDF link in the video description. Thank you.